In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can turn on the Roblox face camera so you can control your avatar with your own facial movements. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if you do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. The first thing you're going to want to do is actually open up the Roblox app, and keep in mind this is going to work on an iPhone, an Android, or even PC. But from the home screen of Roblox, go ahead and tap more down in the bottom right, and then just scroll down and select settings on this page. Now on a desktop, you just need to click that gear icon up at the top right, and it's going to automatically take you into settings. But once you do get into settings, you're going to want to select privacy and content restrictions. And once you're inside the privacy and content restriction setting, go ahead and tap on communication. At the very bottom of that communication tab, you're going to see a camera On the very bottom of that communication tab, you're going to see a camera input section. Go ahead and select that, and here you just need to make sure that you toggle this on. And this is now going to use your device's camera to animate your avatar's face in real time, meaning that your expressions and movements are going to carry over in game. It's actually pretty cool. But yeah, that really is all it takes. You've now enabled the face camera feature here on Roblox, quick and simple. Try it out in different games, let me know how it works. And if this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.